what's up guys? In this video, let's go ahead and talk about what the fourth industrial revolution is and what it compares to the other industrial revolutions in the past. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so I will be showing some articles for you regarding the topic that we will be discussing on this video, and then I will also be putting it in the description of the video, so when you do your own research, you can just go ahead and click on it. It will take you directly to the website. So let's start off with defining what Web 3.0 is. So Web 3.0 describes the next evolution of the World Wide Web and the user interface that provides access to the documents, the applications, and the multimedia on the internet. And we also created an entirely video that talks about the Web 3.0, and it is actually available in our channel. So go ahead and check that one out. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing as well. So moving on to what is the fourth industrial revolution. It represents a fundamental change in the way we live, we work, and relate to one another. So it is actually a new chapter in human development enabled by extraordinary technological advances commensurate with those of the first digital and biological worlds in the ways that create both huge promises and potential peril. Alright? So the speed, the breadth, and the depth of this revolution are forcing us to rethink how countries develop, how organizations create value, and even on what it means to be human. Alright, so the fourth industrial revolution is about more than just technology-driven change. It is an opportunity to help everyone, including the leaders, the policymakers, and the people from all income groups and nations, to harness converging technologies in order to create an inclusive, human-centered future, and the real opportunity to look beyond technology and find ways to give the greatest number of people the ability to positively impact their families, their organizations, and their communities. So go ahead and check them out, guys, and I will also include the link to the video that talks more about what Web 3.0 is. That way you could go ahead and check that one out during your own time. If you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Click that bell, that way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future, and I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.